Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This is a braidless VIXEN 3-part crochet. So I have parted my hair into 4 sections and I put them in 4 small rubber bands. I go ahead and push those that hair all the way back into the back ponytail and create a low bun. The lower you can get the bun to the nape of your neck, the better, because that way you'll be able to hide it easily in the braidless crochet. So this is what your foundation should look like. My hair is natural, but I just decided to blow dry it for this style. So the hair we're using today is by Equal. It's their Urban Soft Dread in 16 inches. I have used hair like this before, not from this brand, but it was a different brand. I wasn't that happy with the way the hair came out, so I wanted to try it again using different hair. But this hair is very, very similar. I'll link that video in the top section above. I thought this hair would be shorter, so I ended up cutting the hair in half and using it in half pieces. So the length that it came out of the pack was just way too long, and it didn't even match up to the box. So this is about half of the back of my hair done. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm going to show you how I do it. I basically just, do regular crochet. You open the crochet needle, you push the needle underneath your hair. You latch the hair onto the hook, pull it through, and then just tie it off. I tie it off about 2 times. Make sure you do all of your crochet around the bun and not into the bun. Just crochet around it. It'll be much easier to take out your crochets. I also have a takedown video. I'll link that up above as well. And then you can see that my part was sort of being covered by some of the hair in the ponytail. I want my parts totally showing and exposed, so I use a bobby pin just to hold that to the side. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness. So the back of the hair is about 2.5 packs, and that's all it took me to get this full look in the back. So I just decided to trim up the hair a little bit. It was falling really, really perfectly. I was shocked how perfectly it was falling. But I just, trim it just a little something. And I'm pretty happy with it. So then I went ahead and started using the invisible crochet method here. That's where you don't pull both ends through. You only pull one end through and tie it off. I tie it again just for extra security. I use that method all across the top of my head. In the back, I just use the regular crochet, but at the top, it's important to use the invisible crochet method because these parts will be seen and it gives you a more seamless and smooth look in the front where all your parts are. So I really do like this hair. This I like better because I did make it shorter. It has a much more playful look and is a lot less hair to manage and deal with. I feel like this style is perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to try something that's super affordable and super easy and quick to do yourself at home. Especially for those of us that don't know how to braid and don't know how to cornrow, this is the perfect solution. And for those of us like me who just like to change our hair all the time, you need something that's quick and affordable so you don't feel bad about taking it out. Then I just went ahead and, unloose some of those dreads. I wanted that nice curly full look, so you can just pull the dreads apart, one at a time. I also went ahead and just trimmed the look a little bit. It really did come out perfectly. I was so shocked. I only had to trim a little bit. But make sure that you go ahead and part your hair off into the sections and trim that as well, because when you want to part your hair, you don't feel like, having stray hairs looking all crazy. So just part it and trim it as you go. Also, don't forget to slay your baby hair, sis, because you want this hair to look absolutely flawless. And this is pretty much the end of the look, you guys. I'm going to show you some slow-mos at the end. Thanks for watching.